So with a changing skills environment, there are multiple implications on various stakeholders. And starting with educators, the new skills that the industry is going to require has a direct link to the curricula that academic institutions and learning providers will have to run. And it has to bridge the here and now of professional practice, but also future-proof those curricula to ensure that things like digital skills and green skills are absolutely part and parcel of what people are being taught, and that we're able to either produce graduates or degree apprentices that are aligned with the present but also the future. It also has direct implication on professional bodies, because the accreditation of academic courses and professional qualifications absolutely has to reflect the reality of what we do now, but future professional practice and academic standards. So competency, again, comes to the fore here. It's understanding what the core competencies are, whether there's common competencies across built environment disciplines that need to be thought about. And BEFA, again, we want to act as a promoter of this discussion. We want to act as a convener. We want to act as an enabler. We want to ensure that all of the various stakeholders in this debate are brought together and we can help come up with positive and practical solutions to these issues.